If you're considering Xero's sales tax add-on, there are a few important things you need to know before making the purchase. Compared to other sales tax software, Xero offers a streamlined approach, but it's not without its limitations. Let's break down the 12 key points to consider so you can make an informed decision. First, Xero integrates directly with your existing Xero accounting software. This means you won't need to deal with a separate platform to manage your sales tax. For businesses already using Xero, this integration is one of its strongest features, saving you time on manual data entry. Next, it automatically calculates sales tax for your transactions. This might sound simple, but when compared to competitors like Avalara or TaxJar, which have more advanced features like real-time rate updates, Xero's solution might feel more basic. If you're operating in multiple states or countries with complex tax rules, you might find Xero's approach a bit too simplistic. The third thing to note is its tax reporting features. Xero provides basic tax reports, which are useful for small businesses or those just getting started. However, it doesn't offer the same level of customization as some competitors. If you're looking for detailed tax reporting for different jurisdictions, other solutions might serve you better. Now let's talk about ease of use. Xero's interface is clean and user-friendly, especially for those already familiar with their accounting software. The fourth thing to keep in mind, however, is that it can take some time to learn all the settings, especially if you're new to accounting software in general. The fifth point is how the software handles tax rates. Xero lets you set up your own tax rates, but you'll need to manually enter the rules for different locations, which can be a bit time-consuming. This might be less efficient than automatic updates offered by other platforms like Avalara, which continuously syncs with changing tax rates across regions. The sixth thing is the support you can expect. Xero offers 24/7 support through live chat, but for more complex tax issues, you may need to reach out to third-party experts or rely on community forums. Other competitors like TaxJar often offer more comprehensive customer support options, especially in terms of specialized tax advice. The seventh thing is that Xero doesn't offer automatic tax filings in all regions, unlike some other solutions. If you're in a region where automated filings are important, you might want to look at a more comprehensive solution. The eighth point to consider is the cost. Xero's sales tax add-on is priced on a subscription model, which can be more affordable for small businesses. However, depending on the scale of your business and your tax requirements, a solution like Avalara could end up being more cost-effective in the long run, especially with its extensive jurisdictional coverage. The ninth thing to be aware of is how Xero handles sales tax on invoices. Xero's tool allows you to easily add tax to invoices, but it doesn't have the same level of customization as dedicated tax tools. For example, it doesn't allow for tax-exempt customers or items, which may be crucial for certain businesses. The 10th thing to keep in mind is that Xero doesn't have robust sales tax audit features. If your business is scaling quickly and you're concerned about tax compliance audits, you might need a more specialized tool for that, as Xero doesn't offer advanced audit reports. Next, Xero offers a limited free trial, which gives you a chance to test the software, but you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to access all features. If you're trying to compare it to other platforms, this free trial can be a great way to test it out before committing. The 12th and final point is that while Xero offers a solid solution for basic sales tax management, it may not be as feature-rich or comprehensive as some of its competitors. If you need more advanced tax management or integrations, there might be better options out there for your business. In conclusion, Xero's sales tax add-on is a good option for small businesses or those already using Xero for accounting. However, if you're looking for a solution with more robust features and customization options, we recommend checking out our recommended solution that you can try for free.